Hi, this is Purnima Devi, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. So, in this, my mentees will discuss about the design thinking based concept of math class. So, in this, we have to follow the design thinking process that the 5 stages, that is empathy, define. These 5 stages which is used to identify the problem statement, and we have to find out the n number of solution for that particular problem, and we have to choose the specific problem using these processes. So in this they take the topic for math class, and they have to define the 5 stages and how to empathize the topic, and how to identify the different type of problems using that DT concepts, and they have to perform all the process, and they have to given the solution based on the DT.
Yeah. First, coming to the empathy. The empathy is the real problem statement that in current generation, students struggle in maths to solve the complex problems, and they struggle in also doing some other maths operations. So, how can we compare this to Java programming? By using the math class. First of all, what is actually a math class? A math class is the mathematical function which actually includes all the mathematical operations like square root, cube, and square, all the mathematical operations. So by this we can develop an application, so where all the mathematical operations can be done by using the math operation.
So I'm going to define about the problem statement. So students face difficulty in understanding and applying the math class in Java for real world problems. So our objective is to overcome the problems of the students facing the math class, and also in the relatively examples and also some visual demonstrations.
I'm going to ideate. We brainstorm multiple ideas to make learning in Max, such as creating a mini project in Max. Example, complicated programs, complicated graphs in Max. Using animation or code in visualization or demonstrate how function work.
Yeah, coming back to the prototype, how does actually the prototypes works? Like this, I actually told in the first, the Java math is a library function. So first we need to import that. That is the java.math. So after importing the library function, we can use any of the operations, the max operation. Likewise, we are finding a square root for a number 4. We can use the operation square root. Else we are finding a cube for a number. We can use the operation cube. Or else we can using to find a number for a square, we can use the max operation square. By using this operation, we can easily solve the problems within a fraction of a second, and we can easily get the result. So this is actually the prototypes works.
Test. In design thinking, test is used to test the prototype. The prototype tested on the group of students, and the feedback is initiated from the group of students. How the struggles are facing using the math function. We can overcome the math functions in Java using this prototype. Thank you.
Coming to the conclusion, by using math functions, students can actually easily solve the complex problem within a fraction of a second, and easily they can understand the max problems. So by using this prototype, we can actually save our time, and the students can easily understand the mathematics, and they can easily solve the complex problems.
Thank you.
In the conclusion of our design thinking concept, that is math class, so in this they have to discuss about the how to define the math class in the Java program. So in this they have to empathize the problem statement, and they have to find the different solution. So in that they have in this Java program, so as the Darshan said, they have to square root the particular number, so not need to write the definition for the square root. So instead of, they use just the keyword of square root to perform the operation. So this will reduce the programming codings, lines of coding, and also use the minimal coding, and also we have to extract the information in a fraction of seconds. So in this problem statement, they have find different solution, and that the square root and the cubic root and the power of value, some lambda function, so all has to be done in a single word, code words. So this problem has to be identified and tested in this problem statement. So they use these DT based concepts, that 5 stages, to identify the problem and also identify the solution, that is better solution for the particular problem. Thank you.
Thank you.